Get away from here. If you know where you're coming from, go back to that place. This is not your house. You're not part of us at all. I'll get angry.
Guy, wait till they walk you. You get sense at all. Look, if you get sense, you'll accept your long lost brother. First, you'll accept me. I'll be your brother.
Oh yeah, leave this place. He is not your brother. You are not a member of this family.
Anyway, I'm not here for you. Let me ask my father.
Want to sit down?
Me ask my father first now, because right now my temper is hot. I'm not getting for me ask my father.
Wait, did I hear you say temper?
Yes.
You say temper?
Yes.
One leg and one. We walk. I get angry so easily. I'm not afraid of your size. I'm not afraid of your size at all. Last will be Goliath. I'm David. Go and ask Goliath what David did to him. I'm going to butcher you now. I'll cut you down like Iroko tree. Leave this place. You don't want to leave? Hey! Okay, wait, can I leave?
No, better leave. Leave. Your so-called father is not here. My son will injure you. He will injure you.
Mama.
Better leave now.
You're a rich. Look, before I vex, when I stop this character,
I said this there.
No, me for worry. My head not there, so worry. Mama, I said give yourself back. Mama, give yourself back. Mama, leave after. Give yourself back. Give yourself back.
Leave here.
Leave yourself.
Mama, leave him.
Cut your head,
Leave this compound now before I begin to butcher you like Iroko tree.
Now calm down.
I will kill you like a farmland. Who are you?
You know me. I don't have a worry. You don't worry. But everybody for worry.
Leave this house now.
You don't do anything.
2,
you know. 3 hours a day. 4, I'm not I'm never.
Ini, I'm telling you, that man hates me. I don't think he's my father. Hey, Ada, how can you say such a thing? Your father doesn't hate you. And can you imagine? He has 3 million naira to buy a land. Me, I've not even finished school. He's not my father. You are even lucky. At least you still have a father. Our own is late. That is why everybody wants to kill us in this village. But no problem. Me, I met her father. Come back here. She's lucky again. You are unlucky. You are unlucky because I will kill you today. What is your problem? I want to kill your sister. Cheru. Oh, you are with her. You are with her. Good for you. That will not even stop me from killing you today. Okwage, Ada, Bai, Zoike, just stay out of this. Okwage Biroka. Today will be the very last day you will try this nonsense with me. Okwefu, I will never be alive and watch you marry Arinze. Come on, however you want it, I will give it to you. You are still saying it. I will not marry Arinze. Yes, I will cut off your head. Wait. You think you can leave her? Leave her. You don't believe swear to her. Let's go. Yes. Oh, who are you? I will kill you. You. So, if we go out, your other sister. You think I can hear your other sister. Get out. I am too sure.
Amadi, thank God I met you at home. Give me the papers of the land.
Okay, leave my house. I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about, Ekwa? I am not leaving this place. You will kill me today. Now I know that you are one of my problems in this community.
I am not part of your problem. Go to your house and sort out your family.
Have you sorted yours out? Have you? Oh, so you scattered my family so that you can sort your own, The Igwe must hear this. Amadi, give me the papers of this land. I will fight you.
If you fight me, I will lock you up. Yes, you have sold the land to me. I am not giving you any paper. Okay. No document will get to you. Do your worst.
I should do my worst. Yes. I should do. Give me the papers.
You see, Amadi, I am not ready to fight you. If I want to fight you, I'll go and register with World Boxing Federation. To fight is 41 million. Yes, in US dollars.
You will kill me today. Oh. Bring the papers.
I won't kill you.
Bring the papers.
Kill you with it.
Mbakwe. Okay, you want the papers? Yes. I should follow you.
Yes.
I should follow you.
Follow me.
Hey.
Leave him. Leave him.
Come, listen. I know why they cool down. Look, if I touch you now, I go, hey!
You still get mad to talk. You still get mad to talk.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm not gonna come. Yeah, come and put that. It's okay. I'm not gonna come. Yeah, come and put that.
It's okay.
Mama, you don't make come that. Come that. You want to find me? Come that. You know before? I go just maybe I look out for worry. You know what I mean? Let's not keep a worry. You know what I mean? So not to say for worry. You want that for this time? Huh? Come on.
Stop. If you are killing, you are not going to kill here. You will not kill here. See, let me tell you, if I leave my son, he's going to butcher you.
Okay, wait for me. You don't touch it. You don't touch it. You don't touch it. I don't want you know. I don't look you. I don't want you. You know me. You want that? I don't know what I want. Come and see. I call up with every job. I will tell you to be a nuka. You don't figure out what body both for worry. Go, buddy. Go so question. Answer. She's so question. Who be a nuka? You go this be both away. Now let me hold not the stick. I'm not going to. No what that. We die here. God punish you. The Christ not that. They came for this stuff. I'm a man. Never.
Yeah, but worry.
What the show? Let's go. You want to for this stuff? I don't want.
We no get time to wait. We go scatter.
What for this stuff? Go ask for Bini. Go be a looker. Now make sure you fight the government. Don't say. We don't destroy you there. You want to get them mad. Walk yourself for this stuff. Come on.
You won't fight worry. You go bow for worry.
Chineke me. So this is how they win this fight now. They broke your head. Okay. I don't know where I tell them. Hey. Mama. Okay, no. Hi. Jesus Christ. Sister, what do you for? Hey. What did you say? What?
I was walking on the road on my own. Oh, the next thing, she and her friend, just from the back, look at my own.
Look at my own. Look at my own now. Not even the name. She broke my head.
Are you serious?
I was beating her.
Let me see.
The next thing, the girl used my stick to scatter my head.
Let us go to chemist. How far? Did you come and go
now?
Let us go to chemist.
Mama, go about the
How much?
Come on, why are no more? What did I ever do to this woman and her children?
Oh, go and make shoes.
My chicken, oh, in my quarter, she got my shoes. Hey, she make me. I do not be a pop. Okay, what do you want?
Just promo. By the time I'm done with her, she will know that age is just a number. That she's my elder sister doesn't necessarily mean that she will beat me up. I am stronger than her.
Oh. But what did we do to that girl? And to think that she went to wait for you down the road.
Mama, this was the same thing Ego did to me. But trust me now, I had to teach her the lesson of her life.
This is good. All them. Though it's too much for them, but they should find a way to handle it. What nonsense.
I don't understand what is going on. How do I handle this whole situation? The one that baffles me is that Iruka would come here pretending to be a sister loving you, but meanwhile there is no real love lost.
Mama, she doesn't love me. She does not love me at all. As a matter of fact, she hates me.
Mama.
With so much passion.
I'm suggesting Azuka should leave the village. Yes, so Iruka might plan evil against her.
Mama, I don't even want to hear it. How can I leave my father's house for Iruka? Did I ask Arinze to come to me? No, I did not. She's just jealous for no just cause. I haven't done anything to her. So why should I leave my father's house? I would do no such thing. Since she's a jealous person, jealousy will kill her. I'm not going anywhere. I can't leave my father's house for anybody.
Mama, my sister is not leaving this village. You see this fight? We'll fight it together. We'll fight it together. She's not leaving.
I think we'll fight this fight with prayers.
Mom. Mama, no, this is bone to bone, hand to hand.
My dear, Azuka and her family wants to kill my children. Please, let me away feed them. Let me
That's very good for you. When you will be fighting like cat and rat, every time you'll be fighting. You are too old for this thing you are doing, Niruka. We don't have shame.
Chinji. Nkawanye konjiji. Apura mama, you are very stupid. Do you hear me? You are very, very stupid.
I am not stupid. That stupidity is what caused this thing now. If you are not dragging Azuka's man from her now, will this thing happen to you?
Say the woman. Are you mad? Sit down. You don't know. Take. Don't talk to my customer that way. Hang up on a doll, idiot. I'm no man. You frog hard. But you don't.
And when?
I'm a lizard.
But there is no wound here now.
I thought you said that place was broken.
Come and leave my home.
Mama.
Are you sure you have wound?
I can't see I'm bleeding as you're asking that kind of question.
Come and teach me.
Just wanted to implicate her so that people would think she will give me big wound and then they will blame her and be abusing her. Ma.
Then you didn't even tell me the truth.
Mama, yeah.
I support you for buying that land. That man has been owing me for a long while now. So now that you are with the land, he is going to pay me.
Don't mind him. You see, as for that land, it's already mine. There will be nothing that will ever make me to lose that land. You see, do you know how much I pleaded with that man to sell that land to me?
Let me tell you something. Akara, his son, is a very smart young man. He don't want to fight any fight with his new brother. That's why he sold it to you.
New brother?
Oh, you have not heard.
How?
A certain boy came all the way from Warri. That Mbakwe is his father. I learned his mother brought him to this village.
Come, Okoro, are you sure of what you are telling me now?
I'm very, very sure. You see, I'm running down to Mbakwe's house to go and collect my money before the war I am foreseeing will start. Because I'm foreseeing a very big war in that house.
In that case, I'll rush and pay that boy. Yes, I'll rush and pay that boy and then resell that land. Nothing will ever make me to lose that land.
Okay, baby.
Sure, Kolo, good evening.
Mama,
Sure, Kolo, please. I'm not Adania.
What is happening? Getting for what is it?
Sure, Kolo, my father is very wicked. That's what I am mean. So he has 3 million naira to buy a land, and I'm here. I couldn't even go to university. Now, Kuyali.
Hey, Madi, all the Hokwama will not support that.
So you now report me to Okoro, eh? Go to the backyard and go to the kitchen and get me my food.
There is no food for you. What one needing?
Hey! Everywhere war. War in the east. War in the south. War in the north. Everywhere war. Hey!
What is this? Eh? What is this? Come. Look. Don't let them suspect that I was area when I was in Nollywood.
Papa, for this matter so, I want to calm down at all. You see me here right now, my bread don't fool. This head don't fool. Where? If you want me this matter molele, make it cool down. Call that your picky come out. Make it start a fight.
Fight?
Yes. Just wait till I finish this thing. If I finish smoking, una go hello. Una go hey.
See. I'm here now, okay? I'm here now. Is this how you are going to announce your arrival? It will backfire.
Is this whom you call your son? This is what you got for yourself?
Mbakwe, shame on you. Shame on you, Mbakwe. Mr. Pure. Let me warn you. Stay away from my son. Stay away from my son, eh? If not, my son will butcher you to pieces.
Your son will butcher worry.
Don't dare. Let this serve as a warning to you.
Papa, you hear him? You hear him? If I catch you, I go pass your head to this man neck. I go jump for your head to this man neck. I go catch you right now.
Just forget her. She's a woman. Forget her. She doesn't know where you are from. If she knows things about worry, she will not behave to you like this. Please just calm down.
Papa, right now, I don't catch you. I go react right now, Papa. That your picking, Call her come outside, make we die. Make we die right now. Call her come outside, make we die. In fact, make everybody. Call her come outside, make we kill ourselves. Call her come out, go punish her. Call her come outside, make we die for you. Papa, call her come out. Bring your stick, call her come outside. Call her come outside. Papa, call her come outside. Papa, see, I know your vessel. I go start from your wardrobe. Call her come outside.
On a coffre.
Call her come outside, though. Call her come outside, though. Yeah, what up, boy? Come, I don't tell you for this time. We go kill ourselves for that. We go kill ourselves for this time. You want to try me? Go punish you.
Please leave him alone. You don't have to fight him, eh? You could just leave him alone.
I'm not going to leave him. You see that boy, I'm going to kill him. He will die in my hands. Just watch out and see.
Akara, hey, that boy is mad though. That boy is mad. He smoked Igbo. He is ready to kill. Now, you have to run for your life. Makandoge?
No, I don't. I'm not going to run away from him. I'm going to kill him. He will die in my hands. Leave him.
Brother.
If you don't mind, I'll go there now. Finish it.
Ozugo, I don't want fight at all so that he will not injure you. I'm their plan.
Brother, please say you have to run from the devil, eh? If that guy can smoke Igbo, it means he can actually kill.
Oh, nah. I don't want anybody to kill you. I don't want him to kill you and take over your father's property.
Mama,
you know?
He cannot do me anything. If he smoke Igbo, do you know the one I smoke? Mama, listen, I'm
run for your life. Run for your life. See, that guy, he has moved his clothes.
Huh? That is very mad, though.
I told you.
But he's very mad, though.
Biko. Eh?
Mama, it's because you people are begging me. Because you people are begging, I'll go and kill him. How about you people are begging me? You people are the one begging me.
Biko. Don't go inside. You want to go inside? Huh? He will come here and kill you, Biko. Don't go there. Run for your life. Makando, okay? I know their plan. Is to remove you and take over your father's property. Mama, which will not work.
Mama, let me go and buy something. No, I like it. See, Mama, it's not that I'm running away. Let me go and buy something. I'll cool off.
Yes.
Mama, I can go there now and kill him. Only come over. It's because I don't want to kill somebody. Only come over.
Please, nobody.
Because you're holding me now.
Nobody.
Mama, let me buy something. I'm coming. You know, I can follow you, not I cannot follow you. I like to follow back here.
It's alright. They have plans.
Mama, go inside. Let me go and buy something.
They have plans to kill my son and take over my husband's property.
Mama, this smart boy will keep brother. He will eat your brother. Eh? Did Papa even give birth to you, worry?
It's your father's waywardness. Walk it pium. That is why he brought this madman to this compound. Eh? Omanga qualify. Omanga lufa.
Mama, what is this?
Huh?
What has come over you?
What do you mean by what has come over me? Listen, the only thing you can say now that will bring peace is for you to tell me that you have come to do the right thing.
Agnes, why can't you allow him to relax?
Did he relax before shouting at his mother? I will leave me alone, oh. Or I change it for you. Okay, Makosi Ademon again.
Allow him to calm down and tell us why he is back. Eh? Arinze, please, do this for me. Let me start eating in my own house. Look at me. Look at me, your father. I'm now slim. Only yesterday. Only yesterday.
Mama, why are you tormenting your husband like this? Mama, he's not the cause here. Azuka is the cause of her own problems.
I don't care. Now tell him. Better tell him to inform the family that we are coming. Else, he is not going back to the city again. And there will be no food for both of you.
Irene, yes. You once loved her. Let's close this Iruka's case. Call Azuka and tell her to forgive you. This will also make you to know if she really loves you. Unless you want to build another kitchen for me to start cooking.
Calm down. The only problem I have with myself is that I don't know why there is no peace anywhere in the world. Trouble everywhere. War in the east, war in the south, war in the north. What is happening? Eh?
No, Oga, that guy, that boy, what did they worry yourself? He smoke that shit. Why they challenge me? Now me carry myself call this life. Now me bring myself come here. No, now so you go take welcome a long lost brother.
You are not his brother. You are not his brother. You and your mother lied. Iman of woman. Don't dare my son. He's going to cut you to pieces. Better carry that your bag and go back to wherever you came from. You don't belong here.
Stop this now. How do you expect an Ichie like Mbakwe to throw his blood like that?
It's none of my business. I don't care. Let him go and look for where he will stay. This compound belongs to my son. My son is the first son of Mbakwe. There's no two ways about it. Mbagadi here.
Worry. Come and see. So that is your fear, eh? Now everybody ready for war. Seniority. Eh? So you took eye for this house rentage. Look, me myself, I took eye for this house rentage. And they wait me my bada. Not the rentage for this house is there. I'm the first son of Chief Mbakwe. And me make you know now. Me. I'm the first son Anuka. And if not to want that put for this house, not with a back casket, not a back coffee, not a back coffee. Back coffee.
Did you hear him?
Yes.
He said senior son. Say something.
Oh, just quiet.
He said
Quiet. Go. Anuka.
Papa.
Coffee, forward.
Yes. What back coffee?
You want to kill me? Hey. Onakofa. Eh? Hey, Chineke, what have I done? What have I done? This one is heavy. Let me begin to find my way now. Before I begin to look for my head. Why are you leaving now? When am I coming for my money? Because Amadi has brought your land. I don't want any kind of war. Tell me when I will come for the money.
Wait. Are you threatening my father before me? So you can't shake my present. You can't check my present. Eh? So if you're done before you go stop her now. Look, by the way, which land do you talk about? Look, first me. We not get any land we want sell. No land. See, I don't want cut channel. Do you hear? See, oh yeah, move. Papa, wait for the get this kind of good friend, Seth.
He's here to kill you and collect the house.
Use English. I big boy that both for use English.
Don't talk to me anyhow. Don't dare me. My son will deal with you.
I'll cut channel. Go down.
Which kind of problem is this? Eh? This boy is a mad person. I don't even smoke ordinary cigarette. Eh? Where will I stand to fight him? How did I offend this my father? How did I offend him? Eh? Where did he get this guy from? Hi. Hey, I was doing gara kick him, but I don't have strength to fight this kind of fight. But I know what to do. Why is my father like this? Hmm? Hi. Mama? Iruka, is this a festival of bandage? Are you people coming back from war?
Okay, Funiano. What Azuka and her family did to my 2 children?
Azuka?
If Goniano, you have seen it yourself. Has he got
into this extent?
Anywhere you see that fool, tell her to wait for me. Tell her that war is coming. I'm going.
This is very bad.
Just calm down. Eh? Don't stress yourself.
Why will Azuka do this thing?
Okay, now.
When you see them, you tell them that it's just the beginning. Okay,
now fear. Okay, now fear.
Hey! What is all this thing? Who are everywhere?
Oh.
Eh?
Who
are everywhere? Fight here, fight here. Everybody is fighting. Anyway. Well, you will go and sort your own. Let me build my own fight with this fool. You call yourself Anoka. I will show you that I'm Apoka. Let me find where and rest. Where I will go and rest because you can't drum to fight. I don't know. Let me go and plan. Oh no, you recruit boys. Let me go and recruit boys to fight for you.
Yes. I am happy that you've come to understand what truly happened. She's still fighting me. Oh. She's still fighting me till now. I didn't do anything to her. I did nothing. No, I will not. I will not. Okay. They are here with me. We are waiting for you. Okay. Okay.
What did he say? What did he say? He said he has forgiven me. Very soon he will come for us to proceed.
Hey! Chukwu enyo mi o. Ngibu Chukwu, it's wonderful.
You want to go?
It's wonderful. That's why I always praise you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Yes, Mama.
To proceed with the marriage arrangement. Oh God, thank you now. I salute you. Hey!
Mama, he equally begged me to forgive Iruka, that I shouldn't fight with her again.
Mr. Good.
I think he has what he's saying makes sense. Stop fighting her. But if she fights you, you won't want you to get your belly stored.
Hey! I understand, Mama. But if I want to make peace with her now, she will start thinking otherwise. She has been the one treating me badly. It is best I kick her away. No wrong with me. Since she doesn't like progress, she doesn't like anything that concerns me. I'm not wrong with me.
At all, we don't need to beg her. All you need to do is just sit at home, dress beautiful and wait for Anissa to come and marry you.
Mama, just me, I'm here.
Here.
Yes, anytime.
That's why you're advising her to stay at home and not do anything. Anyway, because the only thing I want to ask you, you have to buy a new pair of shoes for me. Because that old one, I go mechanic severally. In short, than to is giving me
Mama, I don't even need to worry yourself. We'll definitely buy. In fact, what is one shoes for you?
Wear that Christmas. My Mama is coming.
No.
Hi, my daughter will get married. What?
That means that girl is very wicked. How could she?
Imagine. Because I'm still thinking, I'm still trying to understand what my crime is here. We agreed though. We agreed to play an emotional game on him. The guy took it serious and started asking me out. Even when she tried to beg the guy refused. Is it my fault? Eh? Is it my fault? Me that was trying to help that idiot. Just imagine, she now tried to blind me.
God forbid.
She now tried to blind me.
Oh, man. Walk, it will not work for her. Hey. I'm not sure I'll be able to forgive that girl. Just Negudi.
Hey. Man, so bad. Each time I just try to think about it. Take your medicine. Mama, please. Just hold the medicine. Wait first. I'm trying to crack my brain because I want to deal with that at all. With that mad girl. That is the main issue. Unesemanya. Chepomaya. I don't put an age, I'm age. She now wanted to blind me on top so that no man will look at me again. No man will marry me.
It will not work.
Or for double wickedness. Is there any other thing that you will call witchcraft? If not this?
Just don't worry. I will deal with that girl. No, take your medicine.
You could calm down. Ella, calm down. You want this eye to do when you want to go bad? Take your medicine. They say he who fights to run away will live to fight another day.
Inoa is not for me. You see that proverb is not for me because there is no way I will run in the first place. Talk more of to fight another day. Anywhere I see fight, I fight it.
Let me help you. Negodi Sigi. Sorry, Sorry.
I'm happy now that she's.
But Papa, why do you allow Mama to defeat you?
My son, don't worry. Soon, you will marry her own. Let me see how you will defeat her. I have to tell you this. If you want to be happy in life or if you want to live long, don't argue or have problem with your wife. In case I forget to tell you this in future.
Oh, my dear. My son, you see?
We'll talk out of way talking here. Now that you have agreed to marry her, your mother has served us food.
Brother, you have done a noble thing. It is not that Iruka is bad, but first come, first serve.
She is right. You can go.
Okay, Papa.
Look, what are we doing?
Let's finish eating. Then we talk.
Don't tell me you can't wait.
No, Papa, not really. I just want to see how I can compensate Iruka before marrying Azuka. I don't mind giving her money. I just want this war to end.
That is good.
Hello.
In the easy way.
Azuka, this is wickedness. Yes, how could you? How could you have done such a thing to a fellow lady like you? Do you want to? It was the honor Ziani. Shut up your mouth. Is something wrong with you? Are you mad? I'm asking you. So, you walked right into my father's compound, standing before my mother, not common sense. Are you mad? Listen, Ella or whatever your name is called, don't ever repeat this journey again in your life. Get out of this compound now before I inflict the part 2 of that injury on you. You know fit. Don't dare me. Azuka.
Yeah, wait. Hey! You see Julian, that's what you're disputing. It's like me. Who is that your friend you're talking about? Did you ask her what she did? You gave her no one to take sides. Do you know what your friend did?
Mama, I don't care to know. Just look at what your daughter did to another woman's daughter. And you are supporting her, Her own sister for that matter, Mama. You, just wait and see. Me, I personally is buying this case. See, yes, I'm buying it. I'm buying it. Come on, Mechipolo. And I'm buying it. What can you do? Will you shut that thing you call a mouth? See, I will not have you insult my mother in my presence. Now that again. In the city. I want this city putawana. Useless and foolish city girl. You think I don't know what you're doing in the city? You think I don't know the thing, your escapades in the city? If you dare open this wild mouth to talk to me or my mother again, I will tell the whole villagers what you're doing in the city. What will you tell them? Kefi Yagwafa, Ebu Mummadu. Last, you go and tell everybody that I'm a city runs. What's that? I will beat you. I will beat the hell out of you. And I even now get out of this compound. Me, I am buying this case. Only female. I'm not a cousin. I said get out of this compound. Azuka, and when we female, but no problem. Just wait and see. I am buying it. Get out of this place. I'm sorry. You are coming back for you. Yeah. Are you running? I'm not coming. Running. Get back, I'm to tell you. Running. What are we get? Can you imagine? Can you imagine this stupid girl? So, get your two left leg in this compound. Did you see the way she was running? City man's girl. Running. Get back, I'm to tell you. Running. Can you imagine? I get you here now. I'm not going to. Stupid girl. Nonsense. Let me catch those two left leg of yours in this compound again. I'm not fear. Let's go see our boss. Mama. City runs girl. Can you imagine that's her new name? Can you imagine?
Why would Azuka go to this extent? Is she going bananas?
Okay, enough for you. It's okay enough. Look at my children. No. Do they look like criminals or murderers? That somebody will break their heads like this? Can you tell me what did they do?
I will call Mbakwe.
Okay.
This matter has gotten to a stage where all these things will be discussed as one family.
If you like, talk about it. If you like, don't talk about it. The point is that I must retaliate.
Bam!
I must retaliate.
Bam!
Yeah! Iche, war.
Biko.
War is coming and it is going to be very dangerous.
Without end.
Yeah? I will show that small girl. Yeah?
Biko, I don't want this to continue. You sisters were best of friends. When will all these things end?
Iche, best of friends.
Yes,
okay
now.
Iche now. Look at my head. Did you not see that they broke my head and you're here talking about best of friends? Iche, listen, I don't know what you're talking about. Though. This peace you are looking for is not coming back anytime soon. Until I will look you back. You have to go? You better go make a peace. Iche, better call her.
Better call her and tell her to get rich. That Monwe Iruka is coming with mega war. Bloody war.
Yes.
Because I'm ready. That's before you put me, I don't care.
It's been like that to her.
I will kill somebody.
Please, Noma, Biko, Jideha, make sure they are together. Let me run along and bring the rest.
Listen, this injury I give my children will not go in vain. It is going to be a tooth for a tooth and a tat for a tat.
Biko, see no emebo na tooth for tat. Kambia.
Do you know I'm partially blind?
Okay.
Do you know I'm partially blind?
And my skull has been broken.
Do you know I
didn't even go to check whether it affected my brain.
Nonsense.
I got turned that down.
Leave him. Let him call the meeting. That's what I even want.
On a book.
Because I have a problem. What can we give me start?
They take you for risky.
Risky, no.
Who be risky?
Worry not they look for trouble, now we be the trouble, Worry not they look for trouble, because now trouble we they sell,
Come on.
Because everybody go.
Come.
Because every
Yeah, you relate.
Yes, now.
As relatives, we are not related. When you talk. Listen, let me tell you. Don't think that I ran away for you. Don't think that you have chased me out of my house. It's not possible. I only went out there to strategize on how to kill you. Because as for you, I have killed you. Your death is in my pants. David killed Goliath, but he had to rehearse, practice how he did it. That was how I went out there to plan, rehearse how to finish you. Because as for you, Yenago, even your size, Yenago will finish you. You think I will run away for you? You think you can come here and claim to be my father's son? It's not possible. Do you understand? I don't care where you came from. I don't care your size. And one day I'll just use bulldozer. You finish here.
So, if you kill me now, that will make you happy. It will make you very, very happy. Look, see, you don't know me. I don't like trouble. I know I look dangerous. I don't like trouble.
You don't like trouble?
Yes.
Okay, I understand. You are now begging me. You can't beg me. You now want to beg me. You cannot beg me. You want to bribe me not to kill you. Listen, don't worry. I have planned it. I have planned how to kill you, so you cannot bribe me again. Don't beg me. All this, I'm a good person. If you like, be a reverend father. I will finish you. But God, this is your size. Oh, that will be. I don't fear it. Nonsense. Where your hair? Yes. What will you do? What will you do? Think I'm afraid of you? I will finish you. You see this size? Look how quick you can move Jericho. I will break you down like a Muri Jericho. You will see it. Where is Mama?
Mama is inside. Say, brother, leave this one. Very soon, hunger will deal with him in this house.
Yes.
Hunger will bend his mouth to the back. You want to live in this house or where? You will live.
Don't give him water. Don't give him water. Listen, let me tell you. You see what China people used to say? That's what you eat. As for you, I'm not going to eat. I will finish you. Kill them out. Go. I'm this. I worry. I'm also worry, man. Watch them all.
He'll still be very soon. This Apollo will be looking like my papa will.
Worry. Come and see. Men.
Worry.
Shame on you, Ada. Shame on you. So at your age, as big as you are like this, all you know how to do is to support your friend in beating up her sister this bad, Ada.
You're a mad woman. You don't have sense. Look at who is talking. You that has been in this village, what have you achieved? See, and as for your friend, she brought this upon herself. Let me tell you something. This case is for sale. In case if you want it.
I see. So you two are also involved, Abi? Abi, don't worry. By the time I'm done with you, even your father cannot save.
Save me from what? I'm capable and I can handle you. Like you said, I'm in this village. And when you're now, so if you want it, I'll give it to you. No life goes.
Sabo. Just Ada, message different about Ada. That time you know the difference between city and village. Name called the big fool where KIBOY. Ibiaka kuzel goze mano.
I welcome everybody here, UCHE and Mbakwe. This is a very serious matter that we are here to talk about. So I want to know what happened. Iruka is here with her sister. I want to know what happened.
Bikono, excuse me. Iche, don't say that Azuka doesn't know how to talk. The way you are addressing this issue, is it the best way to address it?
You nearly got her blind and you want me to keep calm at that? Which other words do I use? Can you imagine?
Okoro, you see, you don't cure madness that existed before you. Yes. Did you hear how she talked to you? That is why I and Mbakwe decided to keep quiet.
Ichie, please, if you want to keep quiet, keep quiet. Since you do not want to call a spade, was I the one that asked her to betray me? She calls herself my sister. Yes, she did something bad to me. She blocked me on the way to fight me. Ask Ada here. She is my witness. Unfortunately, reverse was the case. She got injured. Now, if I were to be the one in this condition, this meeting wouldn't have been called. I know.
I have tried to settle this matter. I didn't know it has reached to this point.
Yes, it has passed this level even. Look at my children. Habundori. Did they rob a bank?
They robbed a man.
Because they robbed a man. That was why Azoka and her sister did this to my children. No problem.
Sister Kaiwa here, Mama Kaiwa.
Giri, you should get out of here. Get out of here. Who even wants to settle? Who wants to settle with you people? Get out. People are very stupid. What kind of nonsense is this? Who wants to settle? However you want it, bring it on. I will fight you again. I'm not scared of you.
Azuka, Mechonu. Ah, okay. We are trying to settle this matter. You are just talking and talking. Are you ready?
Shut up. This is injustice. I don't like this. She walked out on you people and you did not say anything. Now I am talking. I am the bad person. Bikonu. I don't want to get angry because if I do, I will tell all of you to get up and leave my father's compound. I mean it. Nonsense. Mama, pour my bag.
What is the meaning of this talk? Eh? Hey.
What kind of thing is this, Mama? Hey, Mama, what kind of envy is this? I don't understand. Am I the only lucky girl in this kindred? What is all this, Mama?
Azuka, it is okay. It is okay.
Mama, it is not okay. As if I'm the one that is wrong. Why Iruka started everything? She started it all.
Mama, it is obvious that these people want to judge this matter against us. They don't support us and we don't need them.
I don't care. Nene, I don't care. Anyhow they want to judge it, let them judge it. But I don't want to have anything to do with Iruka again. Let her stay on her own.
Now.
Never.
Remember you promised Harinze that you were going to make up with Iruka. As for what Ichio Okoro judged, forget him. Everybody knows he's a liar and a cheat. He's obviously doing it because of the relationship he has with Noma. But
Mama, what is his own concern in this issue? Is he a member of our kindred? No, he's not. Can you hear what's earlier? Okay, for Iruka, I'm waiting for her. Let her try me again.
Adane, you have to be careful this time that Ella is around. They might plan evil against you.
Nene, I don't care. I am equal to the task. I will give it to her however she wants it. She might be older than I am, but I will beat her blue black if she wants it. She can never give me a scratch. Nonsense. Nonsense. I want to get on them senior sister. Why she's the wicked one? I will not take it again. I will not.
Arinze, hurry up and come and pay dowry and make the necessary. And come and marry this girl out of this village because he can't do
He can't do
Mama, I will follow her.
Follow her to
I'll follow her to the city.
Follow her Achalu Godika, you follow her to the city instead of you to go and look for your own man.
My sister will be assisting her now.
You'll be assisting? Assistant wife?
No.
Dear Chapuziano, Chenya Bino, in what other ambition? I was hoping that man that came back with Mercedes, in my assistant wife.
Mbakwe, you are very foolish. Eh? What do you mean by that? Don't get me angry. I'm telling you.
See, if you like, call me any name you like. But you just disgrace yourself. Just imagine the way you disgrace yourself there.
Yes. Is it because I'm trying to settle that case? Now I'm a bad person up there.
You want to settle case? You think we don't know the kind of game you are playing with Unoma? You think we don't know? See, look, instead of you to have called those from behind, intimate us so that we can know how to package the thing. You just call the general meeting. See, you see yourself that you just disgrace yourself. You mess yourself up. Oh no,
Mbakwe, you see that my money you are owing me, you will pay me now and here. Is it because I allowed your illegitimate son not to strangle you the other day? You think you have gathered the power to come here and be throwing all sorts of rubbish on me? If see, let me see you cross here without paying my money.
Didn't you run that day? Didn't you run? Now leave my cloth. Okoro, leave my cloth. Before I count up to 3. Okoro 1. Okoro 2. Come.
let me use my father's hand on you. I have been looking for 600 ways to die. Kill me today. Eh? Yes. Do you want me to use snake in the monkey shadow? Wah! Leave my cloth. Leave my cloth. You think I don't?
Are you out of your mind? Eh?
Papa Biko, leave me alone. Was I the one that injured her? Biko, I was not there.
Leave you. No, I should leave you. Don't worry. One day, this pregnant case will give birth to other cases that will land you in police station. And you'll be looking for me to bail you out. I will not come.
Papa, just do the needful thing in my life. You have 3 million naira to buy a land and I'm here wasting in this village. Papa, see, it's because it's me now. If it's Shishi now, you will pack all the money and give to her.
Why wouldn't I give Chichi? No, why wouldn't I give her? Chichi wants to be useful to herself, but you follow her so up and down. In fact, you people are making money from the farm. Use the money from the farm and help yourself. Nonsense. Instead of me to waste my money, the money I borrowed from Community Bank to sponsor you, you that will not even pass ordinary jump.
Okay, Papa, you're not wasting all your money on me. Eh? So bad. Okay.
Others are passing Cambridge. Others are passing sensitive examination. Common jumbo. Ordinary jumbo. You will not pass.
Papa. What's that? So bother.
Nedi, where is your son now? Eh? Didn't you tell him that he's supposed to be part of this meeting?
He's coming. He's in his room.
He's coming and we've been waiting. Obi, go and call him.
Papa is coming. Let's wait for him. After all, he's the first son of this family. He deserves it.
What son indeed? Don't worry. Papa, yeah, call him.
Just enter my son's room. After I want him. You want to go there and kill him?
Anuka, don't worry, he will come. Papa, Akara, what was keeping you now? Eh? We were waiting for you. What was keeping you?
Papa, stop beating about the bush. Tell me why you called us. Eh?
Anyway, I called this meeting because of Anuka here. See, we should all understand that what has happened has happened. Eh? Let us all appreciate the fact that he is part of us and we should take him as such. Let's accept him.
Is that why you called us?
Is this issue not serious enough for me to call you? Lady, talk to your son now. Eh? Talk to him.
Oh, he is now my son. Eh? He is now my son. I see. Okay. Your father said I should talk to you. I will talk to you.
Mama, this is not fair. Akara, look, you should calm down once Pile talk.
What do you know? Eh? What do you know? You don't have right to talk. She's not your mother. Do you understand? She's not your mother. Your mother is at Wari, Neleka. Your mother is there. Go there and carry your mother. So leave. I cannot share Mama, Papa with you, and I share Mama with you at the same time. It will not work. Oh. It will not work. Don't say if I kill you now, they will say I'm wicked. Mama, Obi, let's go and sleep. Papa, if you don't want to go and sleep, good night. If we see you tomorrow, we'll take. If we do not see you, we'll say in Abanandokwa for you. Eh? Because I know that after smoking Igbo, you kill you. And he has dagger. UCHE. You know, my son. Oh, now forget now.
Papa, you hear him? You hear him?
Papa, UCHE.
I'm so tough for anything. What is this? This is bad. Very bad. It has not gotten to this now.
Eh? You are seeing it. She wants to blind me. All because of you. Ay, no wahala.
See, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry about this, okay? I'm here now to amend things. I've actually asked her to come and make peace.
Make peace? With who? With who? I will kill her. I will kill her. She cannot. Do you hear me? I will kill her. Don't make me angry. Do you hear me? Oh, so you went to talk with her first before coming to see me here? Eh? Oh!
Because you're shouting. Stop shouting. It's okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Because you're sorry. What kind of stupid sorry is that? Listen, I'm very, very angry with you. Because if you had behaved like a real man, all these things wouldn't have happened.
Ego.
Yes.
What is that?
What is what? Look at my head. You're asking me what is that?
Why are you talking to me in that manner?
Please leave her alone. Leave her alone.
What she said is pure truth. Do you hear me? In fact, you have even raised the point.
Just go. I don't want to see you again in my life. Just go away from here. And when you see her, tell her that I am coming big time. I am coming big time for her.
What I will not take is insult. Huh? I didn't come here for you people to insult me. Okay? Please. I've come to amend things. Anyway,
please go with your
I am not here for much talk. I've come to compensate you. This is check of 500,000 naira. Have it.
Please go away. Go with your money. I don't need your money. Do you hear me? If you cannot stand firm as a man and marry me, get away. Just get away, because
no, sister. We need the money. We cannot afford to lose both sides. Yes, sir. But give me the money. Okay, give me the check. Okwa check na. Thank you. Where you now?
Please just go. Go. You're not a man. It is very obvious. You're not a man. Opening your kid, you wanna him beside. Just go away. I don't even want to see you again. Go! Because I always tell you that you're handsome. That is a lie and I was whining you. Go! Go! I don't want to see you. You do something action. Go! Now who be adjure this man? I thought with this bandage he will pity me and agree to marry me.
Ima Rapper, I told you now, I am suspecting him. He doesn't even know which side to stay on.
How much is that?
500, and you wanted to reject it. That was why I grabbed the check. You cannot afford to lose both sides. Yeah. 500,000. Can't wait at the when you begin.
Can't you go to keep it well, oh. You know, George.
Stop. You are a guy. You are a guy.
Worry, come and see. Worry, come and see. We no get time to wait, oh. We go scatter the place, oh. We no get time to wait, oh. We go scatter the place, oh. Now
this area is very, very cool. Peaceful community. I wish I had someone who would take me around so I would know everywhere. Eh? Look at, so peaceful. I don't know what my family members are disturbing me. Eh? Don't want me to have peace in my father's land. I don't just know why. I find it so disturbing. Look at the nice community. Look at everywhere. Eh? Mama. Why are you walking yourself with this kind of thing? You know, so you know gallantry to carry this kind of thing. You don't get children, sir.
I have 2 daughters. Thank you for helping me, oh. I have 2 daughters, but they're not feeling very well. Our family fighters injured them. That's why I have to carry this one myself.
Your family fighters? Injure your pikin?
Yes.
If not worry, not a war. Worry, come and see. Heavy war. Anyway, make a happy canal. Where your cabin dey?
Mr. Betty.
Your house, where it is?
It's over there. Who are you? I don't know you.
Oh, me? Another story now. Now me be Anuka. Yes, even back where picking. Now me be the Igbo boy with my papa born for Wafi. Come base enter Igbo land. He shook my mama base enter Igbo land. Now I can find a con. You don't see me. You don't see she film back where. Look how very well.
How come? Why are you talking like this? You don't talk like us.
That our star, Igbo mama. That our star. Worry, come and see. Now we dey run now. No worry, make I be kind of. Oh,
thank you.
Mama.
Take this one.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We dey use chest dust be left for worry now. Don't put the road, more than move. Open my way first. You know say your caban on one, so you dey front. Now they follow you up. The game. Alright, amen.
Who won't try worry? You go bow for worry. Now who won't fight worry? You go bow for worry. Everybody here worry. Worry. I say what?
Oh, that was very bad. See, I want this fight to stop. I just want it to stop. I'm just coming from there. I gave them 500,000 naira just to compensate her.
You gave them what? That was too much.
No, it's not too much. I don't want her to start feeling bad.
Nah, Emelofuma, you did well. It's a good thing you gave her that money. Go away to Eniobi, you know? I just don't know why she's jealous of my daughter. Mama, I cannot explain it. Do you know she actually went into the bush to lay ambush for my daughter? With a cutlass. But I thank God that my daughter is strong. She has single bone like her mother. If not, my daughter would be dead by now inside that bush.
Mama, I tried talking to her, but she was so angry at me. Mama, I want these things to settle, so I can marry in peace.
Well, I've heard all you said. I'll try my best. I'll let it pass.
Night will settle. You will marry in peace, so now. Hi. So, you bring the... You don't even know what I was going to talk about.
Hey! Since here will come.
My son, please. You have to be very, very serious this time around. Eh? You will not complain of money here.
Mama, just cool down. You don't have to say it. Come and see American Wonder.
Good.
Yes, your son, this is time to make real money. Come back with big cars.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you have to try, you know that money is very big.
You don't have to say it, even though he has not given me all of them. Though he says today, once I go to his house, I'll go and collect the money.
Good.
Don't worry, I'm going to make it. Hey. Akara. So you really have the mind to do this to me, eh? Papa, you don't have to worry. Mama, you have small money. Cook very good food for Papa. Give him, let him eat well. Papa, the joy for fire and no for joy.
My son, please.
Huh? Papa, eat well, oh? You are not going anywhere. You give me that money. You are not going anywhere.
Papa, what is this?
You give me that money. You are not going anywhere. Leave me alone. You are not going. Papa.
Nine. Chibo, what have I done?
You want this money?
Yes.
Papa.
Nine, don't do this. Papa, you cannot die, oh.
Mama, what happened? Let me get Okada.
What happened? Papa, you cannot die, oh. Nine, don't do this. Papa. Hey. Chibo, Papa. Nine. What have we done? Papa, you cannot die on us, Papa. Papa, we are sorry, wake up. Nine, don't do this to us, please. Don't do this to us. Chimo, what have I done?
Oh, look at it. Hey, your husband is. Don't worry.
Hey, go Iruka. Yeah, there. Ne.
Thank you, Mama, welcome. Hey.
Mama, this is
Anuka.
Mbakwe's son.
Senior.
Say he's living in
Wafi.
Which
Warri?
Warri,
Ma, which Mbakwe?
This Mbakwe you and I know now. He said he had him when he was in Warri. And this is Ego, my daughter. I have 2 daughters, but this is the younger one.
You are Akara's elder brother.
Correct. The senior.
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome.
Hi. Mama, he helped you?
Yes. Wait, you mama. No, be the carry this many things.
So where is your sister?
Oh, she went to the market.
I told her to wait for me. Let me come and go to that market myself. What does she know she will buy now? Eh? I carry this water inside. Nah, come and sit here. Let me tell everything about our family.
No problem.
Carry it inside.
Una color, your color, you share and they go.
Oyibo mama, Oyibo daughter.
Oyibo mama, they share the color and they go. Look how easy, that journey car carry way too. Oyibo mama.
No bike.
No bike.
Come, let's carry him. But I can't wait.
Carry his leg. Carry his leg.
I've heard everything you told me. I'll try and give it a thought, even though it's not easy. It's not really easy for me to go and apologize to that girl, knowing that she's a tigress. She's a troublesome person.
I know how I gathered momentum to come and see you, and to go see her too. You know, but I did it just for peace to reign. Even when I gave her the money, she insulted me, but I never mind.
She insulted you?
Yes.
You see what I'm talking about? That girl does not have respect. If she could insult you, if I get there, she might want to kill me.
Anyway, it doesn't matter to me. Still go and apologize to her with your sister, okay? When I get back, I will meet me with my father to discuss more on our marriage stuff, okay? Once again, I want to apologize. I want to say sorry for what happened.
I'm sorry too. Honestly, I never expected this to elongate like this. I'm sorry all these things are happening, but I'll put a stop to it. I will do what you asked me to do.
See, even if she insults you, never mind. Don't just mind her. Just do exactly what I asked you to do.
Don't worry, I will. Okay, I have to start going to the market now.
It's a lie. Arise. So it's you.
Ella, what are you doing here?
Arise, please don't allow me. So it's you. You are the one behind all this commotion, Arise. Azuka.
Darling, what is this one talking about?
Sikwa, darling. Arise, she's calling you darling.
Ella, please. I don't just want your drama here because you're not a drama doll. Please. Baby, please, go to the market. We'll talk later.
Please, I don't understand what is going on here. Who is this girl to you? Where did you meet her? I mean, how do you know her?
Ella is a...
Wait, did you promise her marriage?
See, Ella is a girl I met sometime in the city, okay? But this is not what we'll discuss here. Just go, we'll talk about it later, okay?
I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what jobless one here does. It is not my problem. This our marriage have come to stay. Nobody will tear us apart. If she wants, let her die. Who cares? Arise! Azuka! Azuka, it's me Arise in this village. Arise! Azuka! Hey! Arise! It's Azuka, it's me Ella. No problem. Okay now. Go.
Mama, you need to say everything you just vomit just now, honorary.
Exactly. You know, you need to know all these things so that you know how to arrange yourself in this family. Family amukwanya kazo okwe wuche.
Worry. Come and see. Mama, even what you tell me now, all the way you talk about now, I don't know how things they play for this family.
Oh.
My God will bless you.
Amen.
Anointing go dey wire you.
Amen.
Blessing of God will slap you every day and night. Mama, thank you very much.
God bless you.
That woman say me can they call her my mile. Now they call mama again. So for today, me I go they call you mama now. Now you my mile now.
It's okay by me.
Declare.
I try me like that. You know I don't have a son. You have become my son. Let me become your real mother.
Senior son for you.
Yes.
Declare, mama. But me can they move now. I don't want to say. Me I go see that man. He get matter where I want arrange. So me I go say me I know how the matter will go. You understand?
Before you go, let me check if the food is ready so that you can eat something.
You say?
You
get letter for us.
Food. Oh, I get food.
Letter?
That cooking food.
I didn't know say hunger they press me. Go really letter come make I press am.
Let me check it. I'm not there.
Quick, come. Quick. I dey like head of fish oh. No come on the eye. Now that the record though. Letter day. Worry. Quick press this one. Say all this afternoon strong.
What are you people still doing? You people should not finish the wine.
Mama, calm down. We are bringing in your daughter-in-law today, okay?
Don't mind her, Mona. She's not smiling.
Why won't I smile?
It's like they are calling.
Answer it.
We have to go and start going. Hold on. Hello, Nene. We're on our way to your house. What? What happened? Which hospital?
Hospital what?
Oh no! I cannot take this. No! I cannot take this.
What is it? What?
Can you imagine?
What?
Yeah? Can you imagine?
What is it? What is it?
What is it?
What is it? What happened?
Careful, woman. Talk to us.
What is it?